Hello friends, today in this video, we are going to talk about Similac 360 Total Care Infant Formula. In this video, we are going to full review of this product. In this video, we are going to cover what age is Similac 360 Total Care for, benefits of Similac 360 Total Care, side effects of Similac 360 Total Care, and what is the difference between Similac Sensitive and Similac 360 Total Care, who should not use this product, and much more. After watching this video, you don't need to watch any other video. So let's get started. First of all, what is Similac 360 Total Care? According to brand, Similac 360 Total Care is a non-GMO, milk-based, iron-fortified infant formula with a blend of 5 HMOs and immune, nourishing prebiotics, which are one of the most abundant components of breast milk. 360 Total Care is designed to provide support to your whole baby's overall health and development. It's gentle and easy to digest. Formula helps with brain development, digestive development, and building immune support. And it can be used as a supplement or alternative to breastfeeding. Now, next point. What age is Similac 360 Total Care for? Answer is Similac 360 Total Care is a toddler formula and designed for children between ages 12 and 36 months and can help fill nutrient gaps. Now we are going to cover benefits of Similac 360 Total Care. Similac 360 Total Care has an exclusive blend of 5 human milk oligosaccharides, HMOs, prebiotics structurally identical to those in breast milk. This product is designed for whole baby benefits, including immune support, brain development, and digestive health. Now we are going to cover side effects of Similac 360 Total Care. Here are some common side effects such as constipation, diarrhea, or upset stomach may occur. These effects are usually temporary and may disappear as your body adjusts to this medication. If any of these effects last or get worse, tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. Iron may cause your stools to turn black, an effect that is not harmful. Now let's talk about what is the difference between Similac Sensitive and Similac 360 Total Care. According to brand, both products are nutritionally complete, milk-based, iron-fortified infant formulas with 5 HMOs, human milk oligosaccharides *. The only difference is Similac 360 Total Care Sensitive has all the features and contains 98% less lactose compared to Similac 360 Total Care, making it easy to digest for sensitive tummies. Last question, who should not use this product? This Similac 360 Total Care, not for infants or children with galactosemia. Because babies with galactosemia have high levels of galactose in their blood. Lactose is the main type of sugar in milk, milk-based formulas, and breast milk. Lactose is made up of glucose and galactose. That's why babies with galactosemia can't have milk and dairy products. Hope now you know most of the things about Similac 360 Total Care. If you want to buy this product, affiliate link is in description box. You can purchase by using that link. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button, and if you have more questions, comment us, we will reply you. Thanks for watching this video.